Okay, now we're gonna do some Babymetal, y'all. I haven't done a Babymetal in a while, which is a bummer because I'm gonna go see them in. Oh goodness, when am I gonna go see them? 1, 2, 3, 3.5 weeks. Yes, in Chicago with Ginger and Bloody Wood, and my 13-year-old daughter is gonna go with me because she really likes Babymetal. So let's do this one. Let's do, I kind of just found one, I think. Maybe it's been on my list for a long time. Okay, here we go. This is Babymetal Metal Kingdom. I expect a wall of sound if you're calling the song Metal. It's like a Game of Thrones thing. Oh, they got all the Fox. That's cool. This feels like a good opener. Ooh! Ooh, turn it up, turn it up. Oh, I like this one. Hold up. That drum fill was cool. Come on. Wait, where's the third one? Are we in for a surprise? See you, small guy. Take care, bud. Oh, dude, I'm getting goosebumps. Look at it. Where's the third one? Whoa! Oh, dude, that stop was nasty. Such a small detail, but it like this full stop, complete silence for a beat or two. I don't know, like that's the part that got me going out of everything going on. This is a tremendous song, but that specific part is like a reset, kick you in the face. That was amazing. Feel this, feel this. Oh, that was... Oh, yeah. Dude, that freaking song was killer. Couple questions. Where's the third lady? And then another question more, and this is very much out of ignorance, just not knowing a lot about the group. So this was 2 years ago. Was there a season where there wasn't a third? Like, because aren't the girls that are there now, aren't one or two of them not one of the original Babymetal ladies? This one right here, the one that sang the whole time. Is that Momo? Right, this one. So the majority of the songs that I've heard and I've reacted to, she's singing the most. Is she like the leader of the trio? Is that how it works? Is she seen that way as like the leader of the pack? Not to use the Fox thing loosely. I would love to know that. But man, this to me feels like either a good opener, or if they were doing an intermission, like a post-intermission, let's get back in the groove song. Now here's another thing that's interesting. Most songs that I have seen them do, they're in these massive arenas. When I go see them in Chicago, they are not at a massive arena. Let me show you where they're going to be. They're going to be at a place called the Byline Aragon Ballroom in Chicago. And that's all you get. You get like a fairly kind of small stage, if I'm being honest. Like, that's all you get. I am really curious how they're going to take this, like this massive amount of show, and reduce that to making more use of a small stage like at the Aragon Ballroom. That's going to be interesting. That is going to be very interesting. Because as you can see, the stage is just built up. So are they going to extend the stage out and make more of a stage? Are they going to put a thing down the middle? I don't know. My daughter and I, we have seats like I think we have general seating. So I'm going to get there really early. There's a chance we may have some interviews lined up with a band that starts with J and ends with Injure. I'll keep you posted on that. So we very well could be there very early. Really curious how that's going to translate. Awesome. Or has anybody seen them on the, because I know that they just started the US tour, and has anybody seen them in the US yet?